Hello everyone, good morning everybody. So today I am going to discuss about string formatting using string initializers, string format and string interpolation. Okay, now so we're going to create on this example. So then suppose we're going to create a scenario. Let username, which is username is equal to, suppose which have a ABC, and now we're going to create on this password. Let password is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now we're going to create on this age. Let age, which is type of age, is equal to 20, and now we're going to create on this float. So let salary, which is type of float, and is equal to 20,000.0. Okay, now first in this situation, first use of by using string interpolation, and second is string format initializer. So let up is equal to, which have use of then by using string, and username is equal to string interpolation. So username, which have a username, and password is equal to, we are using string interpolation, this is a password. And now we're going to use of age is equal to age. Now we're going to use of salary is equal to, by using string interpolation, salary. Okay, now add on the salary. So this is, you can create on this by using string interpolation. Now we're gonna use print statements. Up print, gonna show on this strings. So this is username is equal to ABC, and password this password, and age is age, salary is SN. Then same scenario by using string format, string initializer. So now we're gonna create on this let combine user information. Okay, combine using information. So then create a username access string by using string format, then use of percentage at the rate. So username by using percentage at the rate. Okay, which is used to access the string. And now second use of a password, which is type of integer, which is type of double integer, so we access use the percentage d, by just like a same C language. Okay, now second is salary, age. So age, which is type of integer, so you can access on this percentage d. Okay, now third is salary, which is type of float, so percentage percentage f. Okay, percentage f. Now we're gonna create on this string. Let up1 is equal to string which have a format initializer, which need of formatted string and argument. So formatted string is combine user information, pass on this combine user information, and argument, suppose this is a username and password and age, which have argument, and salary. So fill on this one, then use the print statement. Now we are going to create a print statement up1. So this is same result on this up1, up and up1. So this is same result. Username ABC, password ABC, and then use of same result on this access on this. So by using string. Now we're going to create on this double. So let large number which is type of, so by default it's supporting double, so not we can access, but this is double, and this we can use a double point is password. Now I can access on this lf. Okay, now I do the same result which are requirement salary, and this double password we can have in password is double, password is 20, sorry not is lf, okay, which have a password lf. You're gonna same access in this password, and this password age salary by using interpolation, by using string format initializer. So thank you for watching this video. You can enjoy my channel, like my video.